Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add border to chart area in column chart. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create column chart. Simply select the data and go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column chart. In 2D column, click on the first option. Here you can see the 2D column is inserted. Just drag the corner point and increase the size of the column. And here I'm going to add border on the chart area. When I keep cursor here, see the here name, the chart area. This is the chart area of the column charts. Okay, and I'm going to change the border. I'm going to add the border here in the chart area. Okay, to add the border, simply right click on the mouse on the chart area, then click on the format chart area, and here the format chart area is open right hand side. In chart option, click on the first option, fill and line, and click on the second option is border. Select the solid border and you can change the color of the border here. I just click on this color and select here the different color. See the changes in border of chart area. See the color is showing here. If you want to increase the thickness of border, in width option, click on the up arrow to increase the thickness. See the changes in chart area border. See the changes. The border is thicker. Okay. Border is showing thicker. Okay. If you want to change the border type, you can select here the compound type, dash type border, and select here the dash type. And see here the dash type border is showing is a different look. Okay. So this is the way you can use here the different types of border also. And the second way you can add here gradient line. Okay. Just click on the gradient line option and you can see the gradient stop. You can fill the color as per the gradient stop. Select the first stop and then select the color for the gradient. And I select here the red color. See the changes here, red color showing. And the second stop, I just set here the stop second and click on the color and select here the different color. Then third stop, I select here the different colors. Okay. And fourth one, I select here the different color. Okay. See the changes here. The gradient border also you can add here. Okay. In your chart area. Okay. If you want to change the dash tab line, you can select here the dash tab. See the gradient border in dash type. Okay. There's a compound type also you can add the compound type. Okay. See the changes over here. So this is a way you can add border to chart area in column chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.